stepdad pretty much buys me whatever I want. Bought me this motorcycle. It's pretty cool, dude. I'm trying to start it up for you. It sounds pretty good. It's like, I can try to start it up. Yeah, it's like pretty fast. It's like 600 cc. Yeah, me and my stepdad, they kind of like, we replaced the engine with like that, like, you know, the Audi QX50 engine. You know that one? Yeah, we kind of replaced it with that one because like the engine before it just sucked, dude. It was really bad. It was like 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds, dude. Stepdad, pretty cool. Your mom sucked. Stepdad's pretty cool. Yeah, stepdad used to be like in the UFC or something. Yeah, beat up a bunch of dudes. Probably beat up your dad too. He was shocked in this thing, dude. It's pretty cool. Pretty good, dude. One time there was this rock, dude, and I hit it, and I was like, it happens every day. Trying to kill bugs. Yeah, dude, I was running down the street one day, it was like 80 miles an hour, dude. There's a raccoon that popped out, dude. Smashed his head, dude. He was like, my stepdad pretty much buys me everything. Yeah, stepdad, it's pretty cool.
Bro, that's a harmonica.
What are you talking about, dude?
But it's literally a harmonica.
It's a vape, dude.
No,
my dad buys me vape.
No, let me see it.
Let
me see it. Let me see it.
My dad buys me vape.
It's literally a harmonica.
It's a harmonica vape. Yeah, you want me to start it up? See how loud it is, bro? It's pretty loud. Yo, bro, you want to see how loud it is? You see how loud it is? Well, something, dude, it should be louder, dude. Oh, dude, what the heck's that? Oh, I think I got it. Stepdad can buy some new ones.
Bro, do you need some help with that?
No.
Bro, no.
Whatever, dude. You think you're so good? Oh yeah! Dude, it's so much louder, dude. Do you hear it? Dude? Dude, can you hear it? That tree over there, dude? Yeah, I can hop off the tree onto my bike and start riding. Yeah, I've done it before, dude. It's pretty epic. I was just like, yeah, it's pretty epic, dude. It's pretty sick. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty much the best motorcycle dude around here ever.